Alright, go ahead.
Second Esdras chapter 15, verse 4. For the unfaithful shall die in their unfaithfulness.
You see, ala de onkolu foko, ala de onkolu le wan sane bribi, o de in the onkolu in the unbelief. Onkolu foke. Ala de wan sane kolu, ala mal ka dood ka in the onkolu foke. En no business man e bribi dus dood tete. If in every bribi te ka grota pu bige chelo koniti sukup chimei du ala isan say mustu. What you tete wat in e bribi. Go ahead.
Second Esdras chapter 15, verse 14. Woe to the world and them that dwell therein.
Woe to the world and them that dwell therein. See, Father, tak destruction di agron tapu, nang ada wasa de in agron tapu. See?
Verse 15. For the sword and their destruction draweth nigh,
Kan.
and one people. Second Esdras chapter 15, verse 15. For the sword and destruction draweth nigh, and one people shall stand up to fight against another, and sword in their hands.
Kidang, read it again from home.
Second Esdras chapter 50, verse 14. Woe to the world and them that dwell therein.
Woe to the world and them that dwell therein. Destruction di agron tapu nang ada wasa ita in agron tapu. Go ahead.
Verse 15. For the sword and the destruction draweth nigh.
You see, a sword and a sword na umensan de e follow under a sword. Sabi, Kiri, you see, ICBM, the nuclear missile, you see, draw it nigh, and that not there the world or long. That nasa this man e follow. They think that there the world or long of it na Peterland, and Srana o de kun. Srana no de tapa world map, next no saja. Go ahead.
And one people shall stand up to fight against another, and swords in their hands.
And that a scripture you see, and one people shall stand up and fight against another with sword in their hands. That was a civil war, a race war sa oko in America. You see, in the United States, there's going to be a civil war there. You see, they're going to fight Esau versus Jacob. Go ahead.
First Thessalonians, the book of First Thessalonians, chapter 5. I'm gonna start at verse 1. But of the times and the seasons, brethren, ye have no deed that I write unto you. Verse 2. For yourselves know perfectly that the day of the Lord so cometh as a thief in the night.
See, a scripita ki, yato. A scripita, Paul tak ano defa ko scripi, bopal ateng na nga ayuro. You see, na nga datem fu a day destruction. That, the sabig ba tak at day fu awan sa wekari Jesus, enena Yahawa Shai, o konle kwa furma ina neti. You see, des ano def ko scripi, des yusa de inagrota ku janunu de. You see, yusa ne bribi, you can be get stand up, taki you o konle kwa furma. Magi unu sa father let ordain like the prophet, unu e watch, ala sun, ala day, ala news. You see, des gide wan san e bribi, tan chelo godoro, tan do you san, my saptak dede e wap to you. That na letja ate. Go ahead.
John chapter 10, verse 10. The thief cometh not, but to steal and to kill and to destroy.
You see, they want forma ekong. Nalik pa ascripitak, awan sa wekarisas inina Yahawashi, o kolek wa forma inaneti. And just so na tra precept wa tra por script, sorry, sa wa forma ekondu. Sa ekondu is the scripture ko eh.
John chapter 10, verse 10. The thief cometh not, but for to steal and to kill and to destroy.
You see, they want forma ebro ko ini osotok. Ane kof kong make a bank selfie up, kong borgi. They kona pernitok, tek chagwe and kiri. Na sook tu amaso karisos o kontu. Te au ko ay kof kong pur dem buang feng, sa ko horsam eng, tu aro ko feng. Roko na the best of the for mu ka sa de bema horde weto na de au ko save. You see, and the rest talk out destroy and kiri. Go ahead.
First Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 2. For yourselves know perfectly that the day of the Lord so cometh as a thief in the night. Verse 3. For when they shall say peace and safety, then sudden destruction cometh upon them, as a travail upon a woman with child, that they shall not escape.
See? Pedo tak safety na nga freedom, dok, na dapat a destruction o kontekte. Na pedo tak safety, dok, te alasan e go bu freedom, na hard dapat destruction on nothing.
God.
You see? Go ahead.
Matthew chapter 10, verse 34. Take not that I am come to send peace on earth. I came not to send peace, but the sword.
See? Aman sa wekari Jesus ini na Yahweh Shaitak, no tentak mo kona grot tapu, tok, pucha freedom kong. You see? Au kong, te au kong tok, ano freedom au chakong, mawa sword. You see? Ewa sword, katwatak na wa weapon, no sword. Ewa sword, na wa killing instrument. Isa sa meta kito, wa sword na wa killing instrument. Read it again.
Matthew chapter 10, verse 34. Take not that I am come to send peace on earth. I came not to send peace, but the sword.
And in a Bible, yes itak alape script na nga ready letter na ama sa wekari Jesus ini na Yahweh Shai itaki. You see, and then a ready letter. This that one na ama sa wekari Jesus itakja. Ama tak no ding tak temo kung baka na freedom mo koncha. Dok, e plus for freedom na wa sword na wa weapon mo chakong. E so wa weapon etu. You see, wa weapon e kiri. Isabi to, deste ama sa wekari Jesus so kung baka ano lollipop o komprati. You see, na nga school book ko. Na nga figure, na nga pen. You see, na nga bordo wesa. Ano de sana to chakong. Surat ikami kengo doro tap score. Ano de sana to chakong. You see, sa ocha ko no wa instrument ko kiri. You sa no de tapapasiwa sa tori kick yo dede. Boy.
Luke chapter 6, verse 25. Woe unto you that are full, for you shall hunger. Woe unto you that laugh now, for you shall mourn and weep.
You see, woe to you, tok, sa nga stupid ass nigga. Isang patok, want angry o kiri inatendati. Nunu de yan yang, mayusa no ate gid na awortu. The destruction o ekomoro crossbay de purpose e fulfill yung saptak na tebu hungers do famine. See, and ala de fools angry o kiro.
The book of Ezekiel chapter 7 verse 8. Now will I shortly pour out my fury upon thee, and accomplish mine anger upon thee. And I will judge thee according to thy ways, and will recompense thee for all thine abominations.
Father tak au pai de wansa esondu na de sansa de eto. See, man so well fro so well oh ma so ana father ne give a damn about sumana you. You see, if ilibina fasano fiti im sabik batak yo tete. You see? Go ahead.
Verse 9. And my eye shall not spare, neither will I have pity. I will recompense thee according to thy ways, and thine abominations that are in the midst of thee. And ye shall know that I am the Lord that smiteth.
And tayo sabi, you see, the destruction, the tekolo bigyan mito, tapos so saptak na wasa we kargado ito ala de sadis. Tapos so one try ko marapisa na aladik pa, na kayo wakto po yung destruction. Go ahead.
Verse 10. Behold the day, behold it is come, the morning is gone forth, the rod had blossomed, pride had budded. Verse 11. Violence is risen up into a rod of wickedness.
Of wickedness. You see, ala de wasa trots. Wati abuan lo trots matapagrota puja. Proud, maap chi scare money, maap chi oso, maap chi keti, maap disima itrots. Yetenta inet de kelibis masa trots. Dene dentak noit wati de kat dede. You see, noit dene dentak wasan kapsanga de om da apas fa de trots. You see, and ala de wanat o destroy. Go ahead.
Verse 11. Violence is risen up into a rod of wickedness. None of them shall remain, nor of their multitude, nor of any of theirs, nor of any of theirs. Neither shall there be wailing for them. Verse 12. The time is come, the day draweth near. Let not the buyer rejoice, nor the seller mourn. for wrath is upon all the multitude thereof.
You see, at the brong, tok, they tap a her massa. You see, the ones that buy, the ones that seri, una begin breaking. Tak AI, me make money, I go give me AI, ina put this, ina put that. No breaking, that a destruction the late job. Go ahead.
Verse 13. For the seller shall not return to that which is sold, although they were yet alive. For the vision is touching the whole multitude thereof, which shall not return, neither shall any strengthen it.
Second Ezra chapter 50, verse 18. For because of their pride, the city shall be troubled, the houses shall be destroyed, and men shall be afraid.
You see, Father, tak door a trots hateful thing make a city of trouble. That one tak a photo of her nito. Like for the trots ma de ewa ka ja insranang sa sen trots. Ilaman trots. So lang awa boy bay wap chipata a trots. Kami wa Jordan trots. Kotisken. Mi bay wap buruku mi trots. See, alas ma trots tapagro tapu. They make up Judaism SRD the trots. You see, they buy one Jordan, one chipet, one minute, like na nga de Batiman merak sa denunu de itak, de trots. You see, trots zero sapta Gucci Louis Vuitton ala de manat na so top game. And matrodo mo playing sa where Louis Vuitton ay o playing at drama. Na top game ye represent. Ala de one sa trots sa epir de pas dati, father ocha destruction.
Ecclesiastes chapter 12 verse 8. Vanity of vanities, said the preacher, all
Is vanity. You see, vanity of vanity. You see, all is vanity. Ala de romal, ala de gudu, ala de siya si tapagron tapuja. Alles is nuttelos. Go ahead.
Second Ezra chapter 50, verse 49. I will send plagues upon thee, widowhood, poverty, famine, sword, and pestilence to waste thy houses with destruction and death.
See, go read it again.
I will send plagues upon you, widowhood, poverty, famine, sword, and pestilence to waste thy houses with destruction and death.
You see, Father, tak ausen siktas. Kota pagron tapu. And siktas de Israel na mas padorosen morokong. Inestak AIDS lai, kanker, walosot sani padorosen moro siktas sa unoy ubeerepeng. You see, and the father's refe pota spirit of the Edomite, the devil, the wicked according to the Bible, who created the sickness that. Alasan ko berin nga a willful father. You see, sickness, pestilence, what else?
Poverty, famine,
Poverty that contact tina, famine, hunger, snow,
sword,
kiri, sword that contact kiri, smoke with the devil dual,
destruction and death.
destruction and death.
Verse 50, and the glory of thy power shall be dried up as the flower when the heat shall arise death and stain over thee.
You see, that one tak a trots pudesma alasano smelter. Dok, te a fire o tegting. Ang nataguro tapo o destroyer fire. A erste de dat bede nga watra. A this o de nga consuming boom bigi flam fire.
And
Isaiah chapter 13 verse 6. Holy, for the day of the Lord Yahweh is at hand. Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushua is at hand. It shall come as a destruction from the Almighty. Verse 7. Therefore shall all hands be faint, and every man's heart shall melt. Verse 8. And they shall be afraid, pangs and sorrows shall take hold of them. They shall be in pain as a woman that travaileth. They shall be amazed one at another. Their faces shall be as flames. Verse 9. Behold, the day of the Lord cometh cruel, both with wrath and fierce anger, to lay the land desolate, and he shall destroy the sinners thereof out of it.
Read that again from the top.
Isaiah chapter 13 verse 6. Holy you, for the day of the Lord Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushua is at hand. It
See?
shall-
See, for the day of Amoro Heiwang, the